Do you have joke books, scattered pages, or funny screenshots? Let's transform them into a neat, offline collection where you can highlight your favorites. Start by taking clear photos of your joke pages. Ensure there's good lighting, keep the pages flat, and make sure the text is easy to read. Once you have those photos, upload them to ChatGPT. Simply type, "Please copy every joke exactly as written." Put one joke on each line. Don't number them. Don't add anything. You can add more pages in the same conversation until you're finished. Next, instruct ChatGPT to create a handy offline folder. You'll want all jokes on one page, a tick box beside each one, and a button to save only your selections. ChatGPT will whip up a ready-to-use folder. Download it, unzip it, and open index.html. You'll see your jokes right away. Just scroll, tick your favorites, and hit Export Favorites. A new file will download with only the jokes you selected. Plus, you can bring that favorites file back anytime. Enjoy your joke collection. If you like this video, please click on like,